Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKER. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green line annotations down here are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. Mainly, nothing was really occurring, and then the final portion of the day happened, the final hour, and you can see the volume came pouring in. So quite the way to end the day. So let's get some things mapped out here. What I'm going to do is just use this green line now for a near-term level of support. Sure, 40 still pertains. It's just not relevant, and I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So again, one of the newest areas of support to keep an eye on would be what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best and strongest going forward? Definitely if the price can stay up above 46 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 46, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to actually stay up above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are residing right now, that seems to be right up here around slightly above 48 cents by a little bit. So if you want to just call it 48, that would work. But right up around that 48 cent mark is clearly where there's sellers currently at right now. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very nice move today. And as long as the price continues to build these higher bases, which it's been doing over the past few days, things will continue to take care of themselves, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations and building higher lows. You can just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.